I'm the director of business development for a tech startup.
And I am a specialist for radiation therapy. We met 3.5 years ago in Vegas at a punk rock festival. He was just outgoing and goofy, but he had a nice smile and gorgeous hair, so I couldn't help it.
I called her Spark Plug, and it just really clicked. We've been together for about 3 years in Boston, where we've been renting with our dog Leo.
Boston is expensive. Plus, we really wanted to come back to New Jersey to be closer to friends and family.
We've been in separate bands before, and we really would like to start a band together. And we want to adopt 1 or 2 kids. We want a yard for Leo. Sounds nice, too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We thought that it was best to start looking for a house and really taking that next big step.
I'm just not comfortable going higher than 375. Ian here feels more comfortable going up to 400.
If it's the right house, we can afford it.
It's a lot of money, and we're first-time home buyers, so.
Bargain shopper over here.
He's kind of a dreamer where he thinks we can afford everything, whereas I'm more practical.
She won't pay full price for a box of cereal.
I learned that from my father because he was very, very good with his money.
When I was growing up, we didn't have a lot of money. Now that I've got a great career, I should have the freedom to get what I want.
What kind of house are you guys looking for?
I really like Cape Cods. I think they're cute. They have a lot of character.
I don't fit in Cape Cods half the time. You walk in the upstairs of one of those, I get to stand in the middle of the room. I'm too big. I like ranches because the ceilings are higher. I don't have to worry about bumping my head in a stairwell. I want 4 bedrooms.
I don't want to get too big of a house or too much house, so I don't think we need more than 3.
We were cramped in our 1-bedroom apartment. I want to be a little bit more free.
We have 11 stringed instruments, so we want a space to practice, a basement, a garage, just something that we could jam.
Yeah.
You know, you can come over, we can start jamming and playing music again.
That's awesome.
I am really focused on the kitchen because I was a chef for years, and I need a place that I can cook for friends.
I don't want to be closed off. He is the one that does most of the cooking, and then I can still hang out in the living room. I'm interested also in possibly having a glam room. I'd love to turn one of the bedrooms into a giant walk-in closet.
Glam room is gone after you have kids.
When it comes to like my purses and stuff, it's the one area that I actually splurge.
And that's the issue with the 3 bedrooms is I need a home office. So work comes before play, dear.
I would love to have a pool, or at least a space where we could put an above-ground pool because I've wanted my own yard for a while since we've lived in big cities.
You gotta find a house first, bro. We're working on it.
We've been working with our agent, Todd, long distance, which has been a real challenge.
Houses would get listed and sold in the same day. We have to find a house this weekend, or we might have to re-sign a lease.
It's really now or never.
This neighborhood's cute,
Yeah.
very homey.
Lots of trick-or-treaters.
Oh, that'll be awesome.
How much is it?
$379. I mean, it's on the high side, but it does say recently renovated, so
What is it? What kind of house?
it's a cape.
Well, I hope I fit in it.
So here you got a nice sun porch.
This is really
Ceiling
nice.
fan here.
I could definitely see having coffee out here in the sun.
Yep.
Look at the floors, they're so
Yep.
nice.
Put-
Yeah. No, it
Okay.
looks pretty new, too. New
Yep,
floor.
tile floor. So here you got nice
Oh.
hardwood floors. All the floors are
Look at this
refinished.
window.
You shouldn't have to refinish these floors for the next 20 years.
The rooms seem a little bit small, but honestly, coming from a 1-bedroom apartment, like
Yeah.
this is an improvement.
Well, you got this room here also, although I'm gonna say your dining room table's gonna be there.
I like the gray because I am a big gray with white trim fan.
Okay.
It's a nice space, but when I'm cooking dinner for everybody, I'm going to have to walk it all the way down here.
Ian, remember on the phone when we talked about there might be a possibility that you might have to compromise something?
Yeah.
Here's your something.
Yeah, this would work though.
Kitchen, you have all new appliances.
Oh, yeah. Gas stove.
Oh.
That's huge. It's not a chef's kitchen. There's no island.
It's not as open concept as we wanted. And I like to hang out in the living room while you're cooking usually.
Right.
So we don't have that, but
It's definitely a little tight, but it's doable. Bathroom.
oh, look at the tile.
You know what's cool? I can fit.
Could fit in the shower.
Yeah. This might be an issue.
Oh.
Well, with your size, perhaps.
I guess.
I mean,
We
Is
we
that
could get
okay?
this
I don't spend a lot of time in here, but,
we could get this reduced, maybe.
maybe.
This would be the only bedroom on this floor.
I mean, it's fine, except there's no
I was
closet
gonna say there's no closet.
at all. It's fine for a
queen bed.
spare room that people aren't gonna be in very often.
Exactly.
This could actually be a spare.
And eventually, if we adopt, it could be a child's room.
Well, we do have 2 more bedrooms upstairs.
Okay.
I think the ceiling height here might be just slightly lower, but I think you'll fit. This would be the main bedroom.
Well, it's a little doorway.
Yeah.
It's a little tight up here. If I'm laying down in the bed, I don't want to sit up and whack my head
Oh
on
my gosh, I wasn't even thinking that.
No sit-ups in the bed.
Yeah, I just have to tuck and roll out. The ceiling's right above my head, the pitch of the walls and the roof. That's that feeling where I feel like I'm running out of room.
This
Oh.
is used for storage. It does have a lot of shelving, and you don't have a ceiling fan that's gonna whack you in the head.
Okay, now this kind of makes up for the lack of closet space because
Yeah.
this is like a giant
think it'll work
walk-in
for
closet.
storage.
I could definitely see us really utilizing that, me being able to display my handbags.
We would have to figure out the office, the spare room, like that's lacking.
Guys, there's still some more space that we could use in the basement.
Okay.
This is more like it.
And this would be a good space for band practice.
Definitely rock down here.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about neighbors banging on the walls. Honestly, this is huge.
Yeah.
We do have a partial bathroom.
You have room to sit on this one.
Yeah. There's office space here. I don't need a lot of office space.
Right.
I can make this work.
If you want to finish it, I got a guy. I'm talking maybe $25,000 down here to build this out.
Okay, I mean, now things are adding up because this house is at the top of what I'm comfortable with. The basement is awesome. However, there's a lot of renovations that have to be done down there, and that's just more added cost.
Beautiful,
I already see Ian with his grill right here.
nice summertime grilling.
Where would we potentially put a pool?
You got yard behind the garage that you could definitely put a pool.
This would be a cool place to have friends over.
Look at how much space Leo would have to run.
Oh, he'd love it. Is that a fire pit?
That is a fire pit.
Awesome. The backyard space is really great. I can definitely see space for an above ground pool in the future. There's a lot of potential here.
I love the color.
Cherry blossom tree.
Nice.
Hey, Todd.
Hey guys, it's a beautiful day to look at a beautiful house.
Yeah.
I know Ian wanted a ranch, but right now in this competitive market, there's not a lot of ranches for sale. So I'm kind of limited to showing him some capes, but this house does have an open floor plan. He also gets his chef's kitchen. $399 is the top of the range. I know Ian will be okay with that, but I'm not too sure about doing. So you got a nice sized living room here.
It's really open.
It's nice. I like it.
Yeah.
For $399, we should like it.
Okay.
So,
This is your open concept, and Ian, your beautiful kitchen
I
that
see
you
that.
can serve out of.
I see that the
Okay.
open concept opens right up into
he's
this.
gonna go right to the
Very good.
kitchen.
Oh, this is great. The appliances are perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Gas stove,
Okay.
they all look really new, well taken care of. But having this island where I can serve food, this is perfect.
Right.
Right?
And I can be hanging out in the living room and
Right.
still have a conversation while you're preparing everything.
Perfect. In the front, there's a bathroom.
I didn't realize that walking in that this was the bathroom.
The bathroom, right.
See, I can wash my chest, but I mean, I have to do this.
Right.
We can have a plumber come take a look at it and get some prices.
And let me guess, you got a guy?
I got a guy.
Like, we don't have the extra cash flow for renovations at $399. That's the issue.
Right.
And you
Okay.
also have 2 bedrooms down here.
Okay, this is nice. For now, it could be the guest bedroom, and then maybe in the future, if we adopt.
Yeah, I think use this for the kids in the future.
Here is a smaller bedroom on the lower level.
So this could be like a good office for
This-
you.
This
Perfect
is a
for an
great
office.
office space.
I love this little nook in here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Plus, it doesn't feel closed off for Cape Cod.
We could make the main bedroom up here, couldn't we?
Yeah,
You
this is
could
a
you have
Cape.
a half a bath also.
Oh yeah, can you fit?
Kind of. I mean, I can deal with the ceiling if this is just, you know, the half bath. It's
Right.
more that the main bath is not up to par.
We still have another room. Watch your head, Ian.
This is a good sized room too. Wow.
Yeah, all the rooms are really good size.
If that was the main bedroom, this could be the
your
glam room.
There you
Yeah.
go.
See? 4 bedrooms all of a sudden works.
Okay, yeah, I see what you're doing. But the price.
It is a fenced-in yard.
That'll be good for Leo.
You got a nice patio area here.
Plenty of room for grills, having people over.
Yep.
I'm guessing this is plenty of room for your pool.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I can definitely envision myself in this house. The house has 4 bedrooms and this awesome big kitchen. And the price to me is good.
There's no basement, right?
This house does not have a basement.
So where would we have room for the band space?
There's no garage, there's no basement.
That could be a problem.
Right.
That was kind of one of our things that we really wanted to get. Being in a 1-bedroom apartment, we haven't been able to play our instruments as loudly as we would like to.
You would have to consolidate one of the rooms, you know? So,
Right. Maybe in the living room.
yeah.
Another option in the future might be an addition.
That's really disappointing. That's something we're really gonna have to think about.
They look like beach houses.
We are 5 minutes from the beach.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay.
which I very much like that. So the listing that Todd sent us, it's $359, $999.
You'll like that, huh?
Yes, but it's 1 bath.
Ooh.
Yeah.
We're under the gun here, so if that's what it is, that's what it is.
Oh, it looks small, doesn't it?
It does look small.
The house is newly renovated. You get a pool, a deck, a detached garage, and it has a beautiful kitchen for Ian. You get a lot for your money here. I think they're gonna like it.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. I dig it.
I mean, it's small, but it's really nice.
Love it. I
prices.
love those walls. We grew up going to the ocean a lot as a kid, so like this kind of stuff is very nostalgic for me. What's that door in the floor?
That is actually a trap door to the crawl space. So no basement.
Okay.
But before you get too anxious, I have a nice 2-car garage in the back
Oh.
for plenty of jam space.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh.
This is what I'm talking about, Todd. Look at all this space. Gas
Yep.
stove, all the appliances look really nice. It doesn't have an island, but it has this.
Love it.
This is the serving area.
So when you're cooking out here, I could still be hanging out in the living room and have a conversation with you.
This is perfect.
Let's head over to the bedrooms.
Okay, so this is small, and these floors look a bit old.
These can be refinished. I do
Okay.
have a guy that refinishes floors.
Todd's got a guy.
you.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's see if Ian can take a shower in this house.
Oh, this
Main
is
bathroom.
nice.
Oh, okay.
That looks high enough.
Yeah, oh, it's definitely high enough.
And it's the only bathroom, but it's redone and you fit in the shower, so this could work. So, oh, this is cool. Is this considered a bedroom?
This is a loft. We still have another bedroom.
I like
Oh.
this. This is what I see as the main bedroom, and then the glam room is on the other side.
Yeah.
Definitely. And it doesn't feel cramped in here for a cape, right?
No, not at all. We could put a king-size bed in here.
I want to show you the laundry room.
Oh, cool.
I know you guys were disappointed about only 1 bathroom. This is a good space to add a 2nd bath.
Yeah, a half bath could easily fit in here. Wow, a pool. I was not expecting that at all.
That was the surprise pool.
I like this a lot.
This could be my outside grilling area.
The whole area.
The whole area.
This is a good size. I'm cool with this. I definitely can see myself using that pool a lot, especially because the grill area is right next to it. So I could totally be hanging out in the pool while Ian's preparing the meal.
Over here is your jam space.
Oh, wow. This is a good space.
There's electric in here too, so we can plug in and rock.
Yeah. Cool.
I really like it. That kitchen blew my mind.
I really liked the upstairs too because you could kind of make it a whole main suite with
Yeah.
a glam room.
And a bonus pool.
I know. The thing is, there's only 1 bathroom.
Yeah.
And we would have to put more money into it.
Added expense, I know. You don't have much time, especially on this house.
Right.
At this price, you're gonna have a lot more offers than just yours.
Okay.
This is the most stressful thing I've ever done. We have to make a decision now, or we're gonna have to re-sign a lease.
I understand that in our price range, we're not gonna get everything that we want. So that just makes it even harder to make a decision because I don't know what to give up. What did you think about the cape That was $379.
The kitchen left a bit to be desired. I'd like more counter space.
Plus, it's not that open concept that I really wanted. The bathroom was fully renovated.
It wasn't my favorite. The toilet right next to the vanity.
That's right.
That was a little awkward.
The second bedroom upstairs, I could definitely see that as a glam room.
We've got that basement for me to put my office down there or fan space. It's not finished yet.
But it's already at the top of what I'm comfortable spending, and that's just another added cost.
That's the compromise there. That tape that came in at $399. I do like that there are 4 bedrooms, and that's the kind of kitchen layout that's great. A great cooking space, the island.
I loved the open layout. However, that bathroom was a bit cramped.
The shower head comes up to my chest, which, you know, is less than ideal. Another major downer, there's no garage, there's no basement.
Where would we practice? Maybe in the living room.
It's better than nothing.
Okay, what do you think about the cape that came in at $359, $999? I was not expecting that pool at all. And the garage is definitely a good, band space.
The kitchen has everything I want. The appliances were all brand new. There's tons of counter space.
The bathroom looks really nice, but it's also the only bathroom.
That's true.
And the price is really good. However, Todd did say that we might have to bid higher on it.
We're out of time, so we're gonna have to compromise somewhere. Nothing's gonna be perfect.
Right.
We decided to go with the cape that had the huge basement. The deciding factor was the basement. We can play music down there anytime we want.
Plus, that doubles our living space.
The basement's unfinished. So for now, my office will be in the dining room. That's what we have to do for a couple months. Then, it's not that big of a deal. The house was listed at $379 and we purchased at $380. In this market right now, to get really close to list price was awesome.